Deputy President William Ruto is in Istanbul, Turkey, where global leaders are meeting to address responsibilities of the humanity agenda. The meeting comes hot on the heels of Kenya's decision to close the Daadab Refugee Camp. The Deputy President is expected to hold bilateral talks with worldwide leaders on the refugee crisis in Kenya and Turkey. The first-of-a-kind meeting is directed towards improving the aid given and how the world reacts to crisis. The first-of-a-kind meeting seeks to build on the global agreement in 2015 to commit to a more collective approach to managing risks and increasing investments in preparedness, reinforcing national and local systems, as well as agreeing on clear responsibilities, triggers, and guaranteed finance for early action. Ruto, in the company of Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaiseri and Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Monica Juma, is expected to state Kenya's stand on the refugee crisis.